This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
I already got the TISSCARE Shiatsu foot massager. I'm going to show you a few things about this, then I'll flip the camera around and we'll show you exactly how it works. But there's a couple things you should know about this machine. So what I like about it is it has a plug on it that's actually hardwired to the machine, so I don't have to go looking for an adapter. I like that. When you're done with it, this can actually be wound up back here and stored away. There we go. On the bottom here, it has 4 soft foam feet, so very nice. You can put it on any type of surface and not worry about hurting it. It has these covers inside of here that go over the massagers themselves. You can see right here they have zippers on them, so they can be unzipped, taken out, and they can be machine washed if you need to do that. So these are removable. The other thing before I show you how it works, it's got a handle on here, kind of like an adjustable bar. You can set it up all kinds of ways. I was messing with this, and I could actually set it up like this. Maybe if you want to do your calves and get yourself on a certain angle, there's all kinds of different things you can do with this. But another thing you can do with it is use this as a handle. I mean, it's got some weight to it, but it's not super heavy. It comes with a set of instructions, and it comes with a remote control that does all the same functions that are on the screen here. All right, let me show you how this thing works. Let me tell you a couple things. I'm a tall guy. I have big feet, and they are wide. And when I first started to use this, it was not very comfortable. As I kind of figured out where to position my feet and that I could move my feet around a little bit, it got better. But if somebody has really big feet, this probably isn't going to be the best thing for them because it does squeeze kind of tight. So let me just turn this thing on, and you can see it starts squeezing. What I'm feeling is there's wheels underneath at the bottom of my foot right here in the center, and they're spinning. It's preset 1, 2, and 3. There's nothing in the manual that tells you what each one is, but I've noticed that they'll, the speeds might be different, or it'll stop and go the different directions every once in a while. You can put it on heating setting 1 or heating setting 2. It doesn't heat up like super hot at all. It definitely does heat up. It just takes a long time. I can definitely feel the warmth in my feet, but we're not talking like super hot or anything like that. If you continue to hit the auto button, you get the next preset, and then you can go to the manual one. So you've got the speed settings. You've got slow right here. You hit it again, it goes medium. If you hit it again, it goes fast. A shut off setting that goes in increments. You can see right there. I can get the rollers on the bottom of my feet right here and squeeze the insides right here. I don't really feel a whole lot on my ankle, but I guess we're all going to be taller or shorter or have different sized feet and all. I can get these rollers on the bottom right here on the ball of my feet. It feels pretty good. You can see the heat sensor guys right there. You can do that. Let's try that. Now that feels good. I definitely feel like my feet got massaged. They're kind of tingly now. So if you're looking for a Shiatsu foot massager machine, check out this one by TISSCARE.